Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to set up this device. The GARMIN EDGE 540 is ultimate cyclist device. It can measure your speed, distance and health parameters. To turn it on, firstly press and hold this button. In the next step, we have to select language and next phone setup that we can skip. Next, we have to select units, time format, gender, birth year, your weight, your height, and now next you can connect sensors or skip it. Next, you can customize your activity profiles or skip it. And it's basically done. At the homepage of this device, you can see battery level, temperature, time, signal, navigation, training, activity profiles, sensors, stats, safety, training, connected features, battery saver, extended display, system settings, and you can connect to app. To go back, press this button. We've got also two additional buttons right here: play, pause, thanks to which you can start and stop training, and mode switch button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.